Hello everyone, my name is Dion Durr from Pinky's Iron Doors, and we're here to showcase our single Air 5 door today. This is a 42 by 96, which means it's measured from the outside to outside dimensions, and from the top of the frame to the bottom of the threshold is 96 inches. I mean, it's a timeless design. This was one of me and my brother's fantasy to have this in one of our houses until we found out how expensive this stuff was. So that's when we kind of got involved in my dad's business and started making stuff like this for a lot cheaper for everyone else. I mean, I don't need to say anything. I feel like on this, it's just such a timeless design. No, it'll never go out of style. It's very industrial looking. It's very modern looking. It's very Cape Cod looking. You can put it in any kind of house, I feel like, and it'll definitely blend in, and it'll never go out of style. And you'll never get bored of it. You'll always look at it. Just like when you go and look at old industrial buildings that are 100 years old, the windows and doors are the ones that pop out of nowhere, and that's what you pay attention to, and this is what this is. I'll flip this around, show you guys what the back end looks like, so you guys can see how we do the bevel around the glass on this. And this is a true divide door, which means they're all cut to this size and put in. This is not a one piece of glass with these aluminum stuck on it. These are all individually cut glass, and it sits inside a square. So when you look through, you don't see a continuation of the glass, which is massive. If you've ever seen it, you'll understand what I'm talking about. Let me show you guys the back end of this. All right, guys, we're on the back side of the single Air 5. Dylan's gonna do some close-ups on how these bevels look. This is probably the sexiest part about this door. It's amazing. And these are all standard bores, so you can get, I mean, we typically see a lot of M-Tech being used, so it's a big square piece that goes on, or you can even do single knobs or handles, two separate pieces on these pieces. On custom orders, we can customize this lock area to whatever you want, if you want a single one, whatever you like. And this door also comes in several different sizes, shapes. We have actually done this in a full arch, which looks amazing. We don't stock it because not that many people want this. They can't visualize this in a full arch. But we have a double door version of this also. Incredible door. Typically, when people buy these doors, they're pretty much doing the whole house. They'll go through all the windows and all the doors. Incredible. But hope you guys enjoy this. If you guys have any questions, call us at 844-843-6677 or info@pinkysirondoors.com. Thank you.